Hey dolls, welcome back. So for today's video, I am here with an unboxing. I have my Zaabox right here. Now, those of you who are familiar with my channel, I'm sure this looks super familiar. You don't see gold boxes like this everywhere. But if you are new to my channel, Zaabox is a Black-owned company that makes luxury subscription boxes for women of color. And I just love the message behind the company. The CEO, Terrence Strong, personalizes each and every box. Even the letters that you get in your Zaabox are all handwritten by him. So I just love the personal touch that's added to every box. And each box has a special theme, and this month's theme is Summer Rose. So keep that in mind as we go through all these things, and you guys will see just how personalized these things really are. Zaabox includes different products every month, so let's see what we got today. So like I mentioned, every box is personalized, so you get this beautiful single rose. It also comes with a handwritten letter, and I'm gonna be sharing mine with you dolls today. Dear Anne-Marie, it's time for your relaxing getaway to a beautiful rose garden with rose petals at your feet and the soft caress of a rose water bath. Your gorgeous chocolate skin is pure beauty, more perfect than any flower. You're a goddess, my queen. Sincerely, Mr. Strong. This is what I mean. These things are always so sweet and just make you feel really special. Like, there's no way you reading this and you not feeling like, oh, okay, thank you. You also get another card. It's not as sweet as that handwritten letter, but it does explain the theme for the box. So like I told you guys, this month's theme is Summer Rose. And on the back of the card, it pretty much just gives you a list and a quick rundown of every single product, what company it's by, how you should use it, what the ingredients are. And I love that too, because you're not gonna be picking through your box, guessing what you have. Everything is written right here. So I am going to start at the top of the card. I don't think I ever do it in order, but today I will. So we're gonna start at the top with I hope I'm saying this right, but this is the Yall Black Currant Rose Hair and Body Butter. Let's see what this smells like. And this has shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, coconut oil, safflower oil, rose oil, beeswax, grapefruit, vanilla, all natural. Smells amazing. It smells so good. It does smell like the perfect mix between rose, cocoa butter, and vanilla, for sure. It definitely has that coconut oil feel, kind of like, you know, when you have to scrape your coconut oil out, but as soon as you put it on your skin, it just melts right in. That's exactly what this is doing. Get these elbows. I don't know if my elbows was looking ashy. We're gonna get those together. This does smell so good though. It's not like super greasy looking, but it does give my skin like a nice little sheen, a little shine. I definitely gotta try this like straight out of a shower though, because this smells and feels so good, and it definitely melted right into my skin. What do we got next? Now we have our Blue Lotus candle. Blue Lotus Candle Creations. What is in this? And I've been into candles lately. Instead of those toxic air fresheners that don't even make stuff smell good, it just pretty much puts scent on top of funk. I gotta see what's in this. And this is why I love these cards, because it's like every single thing in here, you know, if you like it or you really like the scent and you want to know what's in it, you don't have to go online and look up the company, find the product, look at the ingredient list. Everything is right here for you. So this is a Golden Petals soy wax candle, an all-natural soy wax and high-quality rose oil. So far, everything has a rose scent, but nothing smells the same. Everything just has a really light, fresh rose scent. I've been trying a new candle like every other night, so tonight I'm gonna give this one a try. We got us a little bath bomb. I've been collecting these lately. I haven't used any of them, but I've been collecting bath bombs for when I finally have the time to make a bath and actually relax. Okay, and this is by Yall as well, the same as the Rose Hair and Body Butter. And this is the Rose Sandalwood Bath Bomb. Now what's in this baby? Because me and my eczema, I can't just be using anything, especially shower products. So this is made with baking soda, rose oil, cornstarch, and sea salt. I'm definitely here for anything that is all natural, that is organic, and that is made with ingredients that I can actually pronounce. This also includes rose petals and an essential oil blend. Oh, that's what that is. I didn't even realize there's literally pieces of roses in here. I'm just imagining like dropping this into the bath and getting some bubbles and fizz and little pieces of rose. Like, I need to stop collecting and actually use one of my bath bombs, but this will definitely be the first because none of my other bath bombs have pieces of rose in it. What do we have next? We have Mitra's Bath & Body Grace Rose Toner. Does this have rose in it too? Y'all, it actually has the rose petals at the bottom. I love this. So I've only seen one other product with actual petals in it, and I was like, that looks so luxurious, and it actually looks like it probably does even double the work because it has actual rose in it. But it was like $60-some, and I wasn't paying no $65 for some rose petals and some water. Definitely not. This is all natural, made with witch hazel, rose water, and rose oil. I currently use a mix of rose water and witch hazel, so I will definitely give this a try. I'm just gonna put some on my arm just to see. I smell the witch hazel. Yeah, I smell the witch hazel, and it just has like a light rose scent. I was afraid the rose oil would be like greasy or actual oily. I have oily skin. You can see it going on right over here. I keep having to like dab the sides of my nose too, but yeah, I was afraid because this had oil that it would actually leave an oily sheen, but it's not at all. It actually seeped right into my skin like a regular toner. Sulfate-free, paraben-free, soy-free, vegan, and no preservatives. And I've been trying to convert all of my skincare to green, so I love the fact that this is non-GMO and doesn't have preservatives, because other than like the major chemicals and like the parabens and the sulfates and silicones, I've also been trying to find products that don't have so many preservatives in them. But let's move on. Ooh, my favorite. I'm so happy this is in here. I got some more of my Philip Ashley chocolates. Now, those of you who've seen my previous Zaabox unboxings, y'all know that I love chocolate, and I always look forward to getting some type of sweets or some type of chocolate in the Zaabox. And I'm so happy that I got some more Philip Ashley chocolates. So far, all of the chocolates that I've gotten from Philip Ashley are different flavors, and they usually come 2 or 3 in a box. I think it's 2. Let me see. Yep, 2 chocolates. Let me go back to my handy dandy card to see what we got here. The Philip Ashley chocolates, Kissed by a Rose, Rose Water, Lillet, Grapefruit. I hope I'm saying that right. Rose Water, Lillet. Because Lillet doesn't sound right. Like, Rose Water, Lillet kind of flows more. And this is Rose Water, Orange Blossom, and Champagne. Okay. I have to sniff it before I eat it. Because if something don't smell right, I am not eating it. But let's see what these talking about. I have to look at the ingredients again to remind myself what was in it. Because this tastes good. When I saw rose water, I thought the chocolate was either gonna... It does smell a little bit like rose. But I was afraid it was gonna actually taste like rose, and I never tasted rose, so I was afraid I might not like the way it tastes. I don't know, it just tastes like a super rich white chocolate. It's not like the regular like Hershey's white chocolate. I think that's it. Y'all know I always gotta close it out on a sweet note. I love my chocolates, and I literally look forward to the chocolates that are in each Zaabox. That definitely is sweet. I loved this month's theme. As y'all know, I got a thing for roses. So the whole summer rose thing, I really loved. Thank you, Zaabox and Terrence Strong, not only for this box, but for Zaabox period. I think it's amazing to have something that is especially for us women of color, something that's luxury, something that we can actually use on an everyday basis, and most importantly, stuff that are all natural and are actually gonna benefit us. Thank you for this box and the message behind it and all of the work and effort that you guys put into these boxes. Besides this being a luxury box, when I look at this, I really look at it as kind of like a self-care box. So whether it's for you or for someone else, it's like if you're feeling a little down and out, or you're not having the best day, or even if you just need something to relax, something like this is perfect. What would be more relaxing or calming than popping in my bath bomb, having a rose water bath with my rose petals in the tub, turn the lights out, light my little candle, enjoy a chocolate or 2 or 3 while I'm in the tub. Even if you're having a bad day and decide to read your letter again as a friendly reminder of how special you really are, you'd be surprised how something as simple as this letter or a candle or even this rose can just make someone's day. Even if it's not for you, I would definitely suggest you get this as a beautiful gift for someone else. Thank you, dolls, so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And of course, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.